These are solutions to Math 120 online, exam 3. So number 1. So first, when you have a power of a power, you just multiply the powers. So that's going to be x to the negative 12, x to the 15th, x to the 18th. So x to the negative 12, x to the 15th, x to the 18th. And then let's see, you add these, but I have x to the 7th there, so I made a mistake. Sorry, that should be x cubed over x to the 18th. Then you subtract, that gives me x to the negative 15th, or 1 over x to the 15th. So the final answer should be 1 over x to the 15th. I just messed up here. That's my own writing. But yeah, x cubed. So x to the negative 15, 1 over x to the 15th. Number 2, from the original, I can move the decimal over 2 spaces, 1, 2, to get a number between 1 and 10. So that's 1.013 times 10 to the negative 2. Negative 2 because it's a small number. Number 3, take x times that, and that, then 4 times that, and that. So that's x cubed minus 4x squared plus 16x, plus 4x squared minus 16x plus 64. Cancel, 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 cancel. So x cubed plus 64. Number 4, all you do is square this. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th minus 4, and you're done. X to the 4th minus 4. Number 5, you do long division. 9x squared minus 6x plus 7 divided by 3x minus 1. Okay, so we ask ourselves, what do you multiply this by to get this? That's 3x. So 3x times this whole thing is 9x squared minus 3x. Subtract, that's nothing. Negative 6 minus a minus 3, it's plus 3. So negative 3x, bring down to 7. Do it again. 3x times what gives me negative 3x? That's a negative 1. Now, negative 1 times this whole thing is negative 3x plus 1. Subtract, my remainder is 6, so plus 6 over 3x minus 1. Number 6 is the difference of 2 squares. X squared minus 100 factors into x plus 10, x minus 10. Number 7, I use the formula for cubes. X cubed plus 4y cubed. So by formula, it's x plus 4y, and then x squared minus 4xy plus 16y squared. Number 8 is prime. This is the sum of squares. X squared plus 81 cannot be factored. So that's prime. Number 9, you can factor by grouping. You factor out an x from these two, and here you factor out a negative 2b, so it looks like this. X times x plus 3a minus 2b times x plus 3a. Then I factor out the x plus 3a, and I have left x minus 2b. And finally, number 10, you have a minus 30. Add 30 to both sides because this side's supposed to be a 0. X squared plus 11x plus 30 equals 0. Factor x plus 5x plus 6 equals 0, which means either this is 0, which means negative 5, or this equals 0, which gives me negative 6. Right, so the answers to exam 3 for Math 120 online.